Ever pondered where it all began? Where did life originate? Our planet's story starts with a question mark, a riddle wrapped in the enigma of life's origin. Theories abound, each trying to explain the inexplicable. One such theory is the primordial soup theory, suggesting life began in a warm pond of organic compounds, sparked into existence by a jolt of energy. Imagine, if you will, a world where life's building blocks swam freely, waiting for the right spark to ignite the flame of existence. Then there's the RNA world hypothesis. It proposes that RNA, a molecule that carries genetic information, was the first spark of life, the original life form from which all others evolved. And let's not forget the panspermia hypothesis, suggesting life didn't begin on Earth at all, but was delivered here by comets or meteorites. As we dive back in time, the waters get murkier. Yet we strive to understand. Fast forward a few billion years and we find the first life forms. These were humble single-celled organisms, the pioneers in the vast and uncharted territory of life. Not much to look at perhaps, but they were the culmination of countless chemical reactions, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life itself. These single-celled organisms had a few survival tricks up their non-existent sleeves. They developed strategies to cope with harsh environments, from extreme heat to freezing cold, and from abundant resources to near starvation. They multiplied, filled every possible niche, and eventually differentiated into countless forms. But why does this matter? Well, these tiny, seemingly insignificant organisms laid the groundwork for all life as we know it. They were the first to master the art of survival, the first to harness the power of evolution. They set the stage for every organism that came after them, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale. From these humble beginnings, life was set on a path of complexity and diversification. Imagine a world bursting with new forms of life, a true explosion of diversity. This was the world around 540 million years ago during the Cambrian period. It was a pivotal moment in Earth's history, a time when multicellular life as we know it began to flourish. For billions of years, life on Earth was composed mainly of single-celled organisms, but then something remarkable happened. Multicellular organisms emerged, marking a significant shift in the complexity of life. These were not just any multicellular organisms, but sophisticated life forms with specialized cells performing different functions. This era is famously known as the Cambrian explosion, a relatively short period bursting with evolutionary innovation. It was a time when the oceans teemed with an incredible array of new life forms, from the tiniest microorganisms to the first large complex creatures. The Cambrian explosion paved the way for the evolution of all complex life on Earth, including us. This was a time of rapid change, a testament to life's resilience and adaptability. Life then dared to venture where it had not before, onto land. With the stage set by 1 billion years of evolution in the water, life began to make its daring leap to an alien world. Simple plants were the pioneers, colonizing the barren land, changing it forever and making it hospitable for future life forms. From there, a domino effect of diversification ensued. Arthropods, the ancestors of today's insects, scuttled onto the scene, followed by the tetrapods, four-limbed vertebrates that included the precursors of all terrestrial vertebrates today. Each transition was a struggle, a battle against a harsh and unforgiving environment. But life, as it always does, found a way. Plants developed roots to anchor themselves and vascular tissues to transport water. Arthropods developed exoskeletons to prevent dehydration, and tetrapods developed lungs to breathe the oxygen-rich air. Each adaptation a testament to life's tenacity and ingenuity. The conquest of land, a bold new chapter in the story of life. As time marched on, the stage was set for the rise of a new class of creatures, mammals. In the wake of the dinosaurs' departure, a new age dawned. Mammals, once small and unassuming, began to take center stage. They diversified, adapted, and thrived in the newly vacated niches, filling the world with an array of forms and sizes. From the colossal blue whale to the minuscule shrew, mammals came to dominate the land, the sea, and even the air. Among these mammals, a particular group, the primates, rose to prominence. The evolution of primates brought about a new level of complexity, particularly in their brains. This set the stage for our own species, Homo sapiens. We, the thinking, tool-using, culture-building mammals, are the latest players in this grand evolutionary drama. From the simplest of cells to the complexity of the human brain, the journey of life is a testament to the power of evolution.